Good morning guys! For today's cooking vlog, ang lulutuin natin ay minatamis na
Take a look, guys.
balanghoy.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
I have here 2 cassava. I'm gonna cook this with coconut milk. First, we're gonna peel the skin off. We cut it in half, see? And then you make a score. Make a score like that. This is how what I know how to peel the cassava. See? And then it's easy to peel. See? This is the skin of the cassava. There's like 2 layers. This one, the outer layer, and then the second layer. And then the cassava meat is this white. I'll do the same thing with the rest.
This is perfect. It's not mature yet. So it's not, the matured cassavas are kind of woody, hard, but this one is still young, so perfect. Okay guys, I'll continue peeling this. I have one more, and then we'll cook it with coconut milk and brown sugar.
Or if you have fresh coconut milk, kung meron kayong unang gata, unang piga, yun yung luto. But since I'm using coconut milk from the can, tubig na lang muna ang pangluto ko nito. And then, kung medyo half cooked na siya, I will add the coconut milk.
I'm using the whole can kasi I like it yung medyo masabaw. And when I'm making takani or sweet, nilagyan ko konting asin. And then a little bit of brown sugar. It's up to you. I'm using half cup. It's up to you how sweet you want your cassava.
It's up to you if gusto nyo medyo masabaw. Me, myself, mas gusto ko yung sabaw. So, this is done, guys. Ginataang cassava, balanghoy.
Okay guys, I guess I'm the taste tester here, so let's see what we got here. What's this called?
Ginataang
Ginataang
balanghoy.
Balanghoy? Huh?
Cassava,
Cassava?
yucca root.
Yucca root?
Yep.
Dessert? Let's see here. That kind of looks... It kind of looks like my mom used to make with like a cinnamon brown sugar, but we use some kind of dumpling. I'm not sure exactly what it's made out of right now, but kind of similar. Let's see. Take a look, guys. Cinnamon, coconut,
Cinnamon.
brown sugar.
Cinnamony.
Sure, let's go.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Bro.
This is done, guys. Lutuin ko muna. I'm gonna cook this some more. Blah 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 blah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.